If you're new to selling on Amazon, it can get pretty overwhelming. But once you get that first sale, I guarantee you are hooked. Hey everyone, Chan here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get that first $100 quickly when selling on Amazon. First, I'll explain how to identify products with high demand and high sales velocity so your products can sell quickly, putting that $100 right into your pocket. Then I'll show you where you can find these products to start sourcing them. Lastly, I'll walk you through an example so you can get started right now. Now, I won't go through the sign up process, but if you haven't already, make sure you watch my other videos where I explain how to sign up quickly and free. To begin, you'll need to understand product demand. So in Amazon, every product has what's known as the BSR, the bestseller rank. This is where Amazon ranks their products from their best selling to their least and is given a number. The closest to 0 indicates the best selling product. And the BSR can be found usually at the bottom where the product description is. You can always find this by just scrolling down to the bottom, looking at where it says bestseller rank, and this number here indicates how well this product is selling. Now once you have this BSR number, now you could take this number and go find what's called a BSR calculator, where you can input this number and the category of this product, and then it will calculate how well that product is selling in a given month. To do this, usually you could find this on third-party applications like Jungle Scout, Amazow, or Helium 10. What I like to use is what's called AMZ Scout, and they have a free BSR calculator known as Amazon Sales Estimator tool that is pretty good. And again, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is enter the country you're selling in, the product category, and then the BSR number, and just hit compute, and it should give you that estimated sales per month. So now let's recap on what I just talked about. To be able to make your first $100 quickly, you want to find products that are selling, and they're selling lots of units per month. And how you do that is simply just getting ideas, going to Amazon, grabbing that BSR number, and then going to a third-party application to input that data, input that BSR number to get a calculation on how well a particular product is selling per month. Because the idea here is to find products that are selling hundreds of units per month. So when you go and get your product and you send it into Amazon, you can instantly get sales right away. So now that you understand product demand and sales velocity, let's go find products that are selling really well so we could source them and then send them into Amazon to collect that paycheck. And to do so, I like to do what's called arbitrage. More specifically, we're going to be doing online arbitrage, where we're going to find products online to send into Amazon warehouse. Now, I'll take you to one of my favorite websites for doing online arbitrage. It's called Sierra.com. Formerly known as Sierra Trading Post. So with that said, let's jump right in. As you can see, now we're on Sierra.com. So the very first place I like to go to is the clearance section. So let's click on that. Let's see what we can find here. Let's filter down a little bit. Let's look for some women's stuff for sake. Let's see what we can find. Oh, let's take a look at this Adidas 3-stripe fleece here. So this is currently on clearance for $20, saving 60%. They have size extra small, small, and medium in a color black. So what I like to do now is just copy this exact same name right here, and let's go on to Amazon and see if we can find the exact same one and see what they're selling for. So we'll go to Amazon. We'll paste this right here on a search bar, hit search, and let's look for exact same one. Looks like these are men. Let's find a woman. This one has a full zipper. Let's see. Oh, I think this may be it right here. Women Essential 3-stripe quarter fleece. Let's click on that. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's see what size. So it was the extra small. We'll click on that. Let's see what the price is for extra small. You could get it for $37. Not great. So let's see what a small looks like. Small, there's two available. Oh, look at that, $50, almost $50. Let's check the medium for the last one. See what the price is. So $49. So looks like the small is the best one to go with if we were to source it from Sierra and sell it here for $50. So let's put in some price point here. Let's just say with tax and everything, we get it for about $22 just to be safe. Let's see how much we'll make. We'll make about $15 per unit. So, and that gives us about a 30% margin, which is good. Return on ROI, 69%. Not bad. Not bad at all. So, if you were to make $15 a unit and to make a quick $100, how many of these would you have to sell? Well, that's pretty easy. Let's just take 100, divided by 15, and boom, about 7 units, you can make a quick $100. So you could go to Sierra, buy 7 of these at $20, turn around and sell it on Amazon quickly to make that quick $100. And to confirm that I actually sell, you guys, this is 131,000 BSR in sports and outdoor. Let's just confirm that. Let's go to AMZ Scout BSR Calculator and see exactly how many units will sell. Let's see, we're in the US. Let's select the category, sports and outdoor, and let's get this exact BSR rank number here. Let's copy that. Enter this value here. Hit enter. 44 units per month. That's pretty good. Just for giggle, let's see what 44 units per month times about $15 per unit net profit. That's $660 per month just on this unit. And literally, guys, I just pretty much opened up Sierra.com and walked you guys through exactly how to find product. Now, we found a product in a matter of minutes. Pretty simple, right, guys? And there are hundreds, if not thousands, of products on here that you guys could start right now sourcing from. So coming right back, guys, I just walked you guys through a simple, easy process where we found a product, we checked on Amazon to make sure it's profitable. We also made sure there was good demand and good sales velocity, and we took that BSR that was given, we entered in AMZ Scalp, and we got a sale estimator about 44 units per month. So that was pretty good. We know that product sell, so you can easily just source from Sierra.com, buy a few units, and turn around and sell it on Amazon and make that quick $100. With that being said, I'd like to know what you guys think. Does this sound like something you would do? You can easily source product at the comfort of your own home and easily make that passive $100. And that is how you guys can make your first $100 selling on Amazon, just like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value out of this. And if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.